Hello, welcome back to the session. Today we are going to discuss about wireless network generation 0G to 6G. Let's know about the introduction to wireless generation. The evolution of wireless networks has transformed global communication. Each generation represents significant advancement in technology and capabilities. Understanding these generations helps to appreciate the rapid pace of innovation in telecommunication. Here we can see the pictures of the transformation or the evolution of the mobile wireless generation from 1G to 5G. In the 0G, it is a pre-cellular networks. In a 0G refers to the early wireless communication system before the advent of cellular technology. These systems included technologies like walkie-talkies and radio telephones. They laid the groundwork for the future development of the mobile networks. And next is first generation, that is 1G. 1G networks introduced analog voice communication starting in the late 1970s. This generation enabled users to make calls without physical connection but offered no data services. The characteristics included low security and poor voice quality, leading to the need for improvements. We can see here the picture of 1G mobile phone and 2G mobile phone, 3G and 4G mobile phones here. And the next is 2G, that is the digital transition. 2G networks emerged in the 1990s, transitioning from analog to digital communication. This generation introduced SMS, that is text messaging, and basic data services like MMS. Enhanced security and improved voice quality were hallmarks of 2G technology. And the next is 3G, that is the broadband revolution. The 3G networks began in the early 2000s, offering significantly faster data speed. This generation enables mobile internet access, video calls, and streaming services. With the rise of smartphones, 3G networks transformed how people interacted with the digital connect. In the 1G, we are using analog voice, that is human to human early mobile phones. It will be introduced in the 1980s, and 2G mobile phones are introduced in 1990s. It send a digital voice with a low speed data, voice and some text. In the 3G mobile phone, it is introduced in the 2000 mobile. It is a mobile broadband. It is a high-speed data. Internet access also will be available in the 3G data. And next is 4G. It will be introduced in 2010. It is the faster and better than the 3G. And next is 5G. It will be introduced in 2020s. It is interconnected devices, sensors, and so on. And next is the 4G, the age of light. 4G networks, primarily based on LTE technology, launched in the late 2000s. They provided high-speed internet access with speeds up to 1 GB per second under ideal conditions. 4G enabled HD video streaming, online gaming, and advanced mobile applications. And the next is 5G, the next frontier. It can be introduced in the 2010, and 5G networks began rolling out in the late 2010, promising ultra fast speed and low latencies. This generation supports the Internet of Things, that is IoT, connecting billions of devices seamlessly. Enhanced capacity and reliability make 5G a game changer for smart cities and autonomous vehicles. This 5G also available in the present generation as of now. And the next and the next data is the 6G, that is the future of connectivity. The 6G is anticipated to emerge around 2030. Still, it was not introduced in the society. It may introduce it in the 2030, focusing on terahertz frequency bands. Expected features include even higher speeds, enhanced AI integration, and holographic communication. And 6G aims to create a fully connected society, revolutioning industries and daily life. We can hope that 6G generation or the 6G network is too speeder and a heavy faster network. And comparing the generations, each generations of wireless technology has brought incremental improvements in speed and functionality. Security and data privacy has evolved significantly, especially from 2G onwards. The transition between generation reflects ongoing advancement in technology and user needs. Here we can see the how generation will be changed according to the uh, internet, and we can came to conclusion and the future outlook of the session. The evolution of wireless networks illustrate the rapid pace of technological innovation. Each generation has built upon the last, setting the stage of future development like 6G. Continued research and investment in telecommunications will drive the next wave of connectivity advancement. I hope this presentation provides a conscious overview of the key characteristics and developments across the different generations of wireless networks. Thank you.